So what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So as you all know, as of right now, one of my very best exchanges is get.io, and in today's video I'm actually going to share with you how to go ahead and maximize this app and actually earn yourself some very cool amount of crypto, all for free. So if you want to learn more about this, make sure to go ahead and stick to this video till the end. You can also drop a like, write a nice comment down below, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And without much ado, let's begin this video right now. Now back to the video guys, back to the video. So for you to go ahead and start over in get.io, I'm actually going to provide you with my referral link. If you are new to get.io, make sure to go ahead and sign up, and once you've already signed up, make sure to do your KYC, and you'll need to do your KYC till level 2. So the event you're going to be doing today is known as the get.io startup, and if you have any problem finding it, just head over to the bottom of your dashboard and you will see an option where it says earn. So this is the option right here, earn. Okay, so all I need you to do is just click on the earn button. Okay, it's going to take you to a whole new page. So once it takes you to a whole new page, as you can see on the top right here, it says startup. So this is the event right now, and for you to be eligible to start over in this startup, you'll need to have at least some 10 USDT in your spot account. So you'll need to deposit some 10 USDT in your spot account. So once you have already deposited the 10 USDT to your spot account, either be it from Binance, Trust Wallet, or any wallet of your choice, just make sure to deposit them to your spot account. And once you have them right there, as you know, in this event, some 10 GT tokens or GET tokens are going to be held. Okay, so you'll need some 10 GT tokens. So you can see that there are very many airdrops for you to participate. Okay, you can see this first one right here, and as you can see that in progress are 6 airdrops. Okay, so there is this one ATRS, okay, there is this one right here XR, and many people are earning it right now. And as you can see that as of right now, about 80 million USDT has been raised for this particular event. So make sure not to miss out in this airdrop, and you're going to earn yourself a very cool amount of crypto right here. So the airdrops are very many for you to participate in them, and for you to be eligible for it, you need to have some GT tokens. So this for only get holders exclusive. Okay, and you can just click on here where it says notify me for free airdrops. Another way for you to earn some cool amounts of crypto in get.io is by supporting streamers. In their recent article from their Telegram community, you can see right here that they say vote for your favorite streamers and content creators to the top, win grand prizes, MacBook Air exclusive merch, and more to await. So this event is as from July 8th to August 4th. Okay, so for you to go ahead and participate in this event by voting, all you need to do is just go to their Telegram community, which is get.io news. Click on this link right here where it says vote now, and once you click on it, you can just go ahead and vote for your very best streamers right here. So for you to go ahead and check the streamers or the live sessions, on the bottom of your dashboard you'll just find what you need, and it's this button right here that says moments. So once you click on the moments, it will take you to another whole new page. So it's just going to load a little bit, and from there you can actually find your streamers who are going ahead and going live every single day, and people are watching them. So once you go ahead and join their live, you can just go ahead and claim some free red packet codes. Some red packet codes are going to be dropped every single moment guys. And if you see right now, there are very several streamers who are live. About 31 people are watching, and they have red packet codes to share. You can see this 100 packet codes to share, 92 people watching. Okay, if you scroll down, you'll find more live sessions, and you can just go ahead and find your favorite streamer right here and actually go ahead and vote for them to win some huge prizes. So I think I've come to an end of this video guys. If you need more information about this startup, just head over to the top where it says startup. Okay, and if you just look at the top right corner, you'll see 3 dashes right there, and once you click on these 3 dashes, it's just going to take you to another whole new page. Okay, you're going to see the time zone setting, notification setting, share, and easy steps. So click on easy steps. Once you click on easy steps, you can just go and see step 1, step 2, and step 3 for you to go ahead and participate in this event. So I think that's all for today's video. If you found it useful, make sure to drop a like, write a nice comment down below, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And you can also go ahead and join our Telegram community so that you'll always get notifications every single time that I post a new video, and I will always share with you some information that I can't share it in my YouTube channel. So I think that's all. I'll catch you guys in the very next video.